Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into something truly remarkable. For powerful fats that can help seniors repair their brain and eyes literally overnight while you sleep. If you've been noticing a bit of brain fog, struggling with memory recall, or finding your vision isn't as sharp as it used to be, then you've come to the right place. We're going to explore how incorporating these specific fats into your diet can lead to sharper memory, clearer vision, and an overall healthier aging process. This isn't just about food. It's about providing your body with the essential tools it needs for deep, restorative repair. Let's unlock the secrets to a healthier brain and eyes, starting right now. First up on our list are the famous omega-3 fatty acids, especially the two superstars, EPA and DHA. Think of these as the fundamental fuel for your brain and retina. They aren't just helpful, they are essential structural components. DHA, in particular, makes up a significant portion of your brain's gray matter and the light-sensitive cells in your retina. So, it makes perfect sense that when your levels of DHA drop, your cognitive function and visual acuity can suffer. Omega-3 South are masters at reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the delicate blood vessels in your brain and eyes. This improves blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. They directly strengthen memory pathways, and even contribute to better, more restorative sleep, which is the prime time for your brain to conduct its overnight repairs. For sharper memory and clearer vision, getting enough omega-3 South is absolutely non-negotiable. You can find these powerful fats in fatty fish like salmon and sardines. Or if you're not a fish eater, high-quality fish oil supplements are a great option. Plant-based sources like walnuts, chia seeds, and algae oil are also fantastic for boosting your intake. Next, let's talk about monounsaturated fats, which I like to call the circulation boosters. These are the smart, healthy fats you find in delicious foods like extra virgin olive oil, creamy avocados, and a variety of nuts and seeds. One of the natural challenges of aging is that our blood vessels can become stiffer and less flexible. This can slow down circulation, reducing the vital flow of blood to our brain and eyes. Monounsaturated fats work to counteract this. They help make blood vessels more pliable and improve overall blood flow, essentially reopening those critical pathways for nutrient delivery. But their benefits don't stop there. They also act as powerful antioxidants, protecting delicate nerve cells from oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to age-related decline. By supporting memory and helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, they create a more stable internal environment for your brain to function optimally. Plus, here's a bonus. These fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins that are crucial for vision, like vitamins A and E. So, that simple drizzle of olive oil over your salad isn't just for flavor. It's a game-changer for your long-term brain and eye health. Our third powerful fat group is phospholipids, with a special shout-out to phosphatidylserine and If omega-3 South are the building blocks, think of phospholipids as the expert repair crew for your brain's cellular structure. Their primary job is to rebuild and maintain healthy cell membranes. This is incredibly important because every single thought, memory, and signal in your brain depends on healthy, flexible cell membranes. Phospholipids are also crucial for supporting key neurotransmitters, especially acetylcholine, which is the brain's memory molecule. By bolstering acetylcholine levels, they help your brain form stronger, more durable memory connections, particularly during your sleep cycle. Beyond memory, phospholipids are known to improve focus, support the learning of new information, and even help reduce levels of stress hormones like cortisol, which can be damaging to the brain over time. For you at eyes, they strengthen retinal cells and can improve the quality of your tear film, which helps combat uncomfortable dry eyes. To get more of these memory builders in your diet, look to whole eggs, krill oil supplements, soy lecithin, and certain dairy products. For any senior concerned about memory, phospholipids are a true powerhouse. Finally, we arrive at our fourth and final fat MCTs, or medium-chain triglycerides. You'll find these unique fats primarily in coconut oil and concentrated MCT oil. Here's why they're so special for the aging brain. As we get older, the brain can sometimes become less efficient at using glucose, its primary fuel source. This is often referred to as insulin resistance in the brain, and it can lead to that familiar feeling of brain fog, mental fatigue, and slow thinking. MCTs offer a brilliant workaround to this problem. They are metabolized differently from other fats. Instead of going through a long digestive process, they are sent straight to the liver and rapidly converted into ketones. These ketones can then cross the blood-brain barrier and serve as a clean and efficient alternative fuel source for your brain cells. The result: many people report sharper thinking, especially in the morning, and more stable energy throughout the day. This readily available energy also supports better overnight repair processes and enhances the health of your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells. A simple way to incorporate MCTs is by adding a teaspoon of MCT oil to your morning coffee, tea, or smoothie. So there you have it, 4 incredible fats every senior should consider for overnight brain and eye repair. We've covered omega-3 South, the fundamental fuel, monounsaturated fats, the circulation boosters, phospholipids, the memory builders, and MCTs, the quick brain fuel. By consistently adding these healthy fats to your daily routine, you're not just eating food, you're actively nourishing your brain, protecting your precious vision, and setting yourself up for stronger, healthier aging. It's about giving your body the right materials to perform its amazing nightly repair work. If you found this information helpful and empowering, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss our future content. And please, share this video with a friend or family member who you think could benefit from better brain health. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to your health.